Students, so come to today's class. Today I will start your exercise 7.1. Continue your exercise 7.1 from the question number 7. Okay, so question number 7, the figure is this one. In this figure it is given that AB is a line segment where P is the midpoint. The first thing is given that AB is a line segment where P is the midpoint. That means AP is equal to PP. Okay. Again, the next thing is given that D and E are the 2 points on the same side of AB such that the angle BAD, that means this angle is equal to angle ABE, this angle. Okay, BAD is equal to ABE is given. Again, another thing is given that angle. The first thing is given P is the midpoint of AP. That means you can find AP equal to BP. Next thing is given that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Okay, these two things is given. Again, another thing is given that angle EPA is equal to DPB. Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. EPA means EPA, this angle, and DPB means this angle. Okay, so we have to prove two things here. First one is triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP. DAP, that means this triangle DAP congruent to EBP. And next thing is AD equal to B. After proving the first one, you can easily prove that AD equal to BE, which is the corresponding part of the congruence triangle. Okay. So at first you just write the given things. Given P is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Given another given thing is angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Okay. Angle EPA is equal to angle D. EPA equal to angle DPB. Okay. So we have to prove that. Or we have to show that. I think so is given here. So you have to write. So you have to show that. So that the first thing is triangle DAP congruent EBP. DAP congruent triangle EBP. The first thing is given DAP and EBP are congruent, and the second thing is given AD is equal to again B. AD equal to BE. So these two things we have to prove here. AD equal to BE. Okay. So now, in this case, like the question number 6, we have to add one same thing to the both sides. Okay. So proof. So look at this one. This angle, that means EPA, and this angle, that means DPB are equal. They are given that if our target is to prove these two triangles, this one is DAP and this one is triangle EBP. So since P is the midpoint, so AP and BP are equal. One thing are equal given. Again, another thing is given that BAD. Instead of BAD, you can write PAD also or DAP also. That means since BAD, this angle is equal to this angle, it is given, but given in the form BAD. So instead of BAD, you can write PAD also, and instead of ABE, you can write PBE also. That means these two triangles are also these two angles are also equal. Is given that. Okay. So side angle, if you prove this angle EDB, not EDB, if you suppose prove this one is P. Okay, EPB, if you prove EPB, this angle and this angle equal, then you can use ASA criteria here. So look at this one. So given angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. So this thing is given to us. So you just add both to them this angle. Suppose this one is 1, this one is 2. You just add 3 to both of them. So angle EPA plus angle EPD Similarly, DPB with the DPB, you just add angle EPD, and you just write within bracket adding angle EPD to both sides. Okay. So now look at this one. EPA means this angle. If you add with this angle, this plus this, then automatically you get the angle APD, or DPA you can write APD. Similarly, with these two, if you add 3, then you will get this whole angle, that means DPE. Okay, so just give number 1 here. So APD is equal BPE. You can write as this one is 1 because we have to use 1 later on. Okay. So now come to the triangle. Take the two triangles whichever they are asking for. So okay, triangle DAP and EBP. So in triangle DAP and triangle EBP. Okay, look at these two triangles DAP and EBP. In this case, you can write angle DAP is equal to EBP. DAP is equal to EBP. Okay, but you have to write since BAD is equal ADE. In a given section, it is not given that angle DAP is equal to angle EBP. It is given that DAB, that means BAD, this angle is equal to ABE. Both are same, but you have to mention this one. Okay. Again, next AP is equal BP. Since P is the midpoint, of AB. Okay. Again, now write this one. APD is equal BPE. Within bracket you just write from 1. Okay. So ultimately this angle is equal to this angle, this side equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle. That means ASA you can apply here. So therefore triangle DAP equal to DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Within bracket you just write ASA is given number 2. So one thing we prove here. Now come to the question number 2. Again, question number 2. Since triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP, within bracket write from 2. So therefore AD is equal to BE. It is given AD equal to BE, and which is CP corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Okay.